This is what the people of the national capital have to say about pollution. Let's now move on and shift our focus to some big breaking news that we are getting for you right now. Veteran actor Dharmendra is currently hospitalized and he's at the Breach Candy Hospital in Mumbai. And we have learned that his condition worsened slightly this morning, after which he was in fact placed in the ICU. The actor, who has been at Breach Candy Hospital for the past 9 days, continues to undergo treatment and remains under close observation. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Rucha, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Rucha, what is the update as far as the health condition of Dharmendra, the actor, is concerned? Any statement from the doctors there?
In the recent days, Dharmendra was shooting for many films, and as of now, he is currently been admitted to the Breach Candy Hospital after he started feeling unwell few days back. Precisely 9 days ago, he was rushed to the Breach Candy Hospital near Mahalakshmi, and he is currently at 89 years of age. Considering his health, considering his age, it was important to rush him to hospital for immediate help. And after that, he is now under the observation of ICU. Currently, he is responding to the treatment, and the family is also likely to speak more about this very soon. He slightly felt unwell. He had issues while breathing, and which is when the family decided to take him to the Breach Candy Hospital, where he is currently taking the treatment. It's been 9 days since the treatment is going on, and he is very well responding to these treatments. Additionally, Hema Malini also made it very clear that he is currently doing well. While she was on a campaigning tour in Bihar, she mentioned that actor is doing well as of now, and many family members, including Isha Deol, Sunny Deol, Hema Malini, are also constantly visiting him, taking update on his current health. This morning, it was a difficult situation for the family when his condition slightly worsened. But after that, the doctors immediately realized it and have transferred him to the more intensive care unit. Now he is responding to the treatments, and currently he is admitted to the Breach Candy Hospital. We will soon get more update on how his health is now, and the family members will also be telling us what is update with his health.
All right. So, Rucha, you're telling us that perhaps a formal statement from the hospital can be expected very soon, and he seems to be responding to the treatment that he's being given at Breach Candy Hospital, is what the doctors have indicated there. Can you tell us a little bit about, if anybody from the family or, his manager, his family's managers have really said anything on the condition right now?
Well, as of now, the family members are visiting, but not speaking with us. Their priority is taking care of Dharmendra, and the family has also stated to give them some privacy at this moment, because it was very difficult. It is very difficult situation for the family that Dharmendra is in intensive care unit, and the family has stated that give them some time, and they will definitely give out the statement. And we are also expecting official statement from the doctors from the hospital Breach Candy very soon about his health. And as of now, the family and the doctors have also stated that he is currently responding well to the treatment that is going on. Only there was slightly risk in this morning when he felt a little unwell after he had issues while breathing, when he was taken to ICU to be under more observation. He was rushed to a different section where currently he is admitted, and he is also responding very well to the treatments, is what the doctors are saying.
All right. We really wish the Sholay actor a speedy recovery. Thank you very much, Rucha, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on and shift our focus to the